Get a 2020 Camry, a $1,000 gas card, and no charge maintenance for your entire lease, but only at Brimell Toyota. We're offering amazing lease terms on in-stock 2020 Camrys on top of added incentives like a $1,000 gas card. Park a brand new Camry in your driveway for as low as $148 plus HST bi-weekly at 2.29%, and you'll also get no charge maintenance for the entire 60-month lease. Stop by our website today and see what we have in stock, then book a test drive either online or by calling 416-292-2241.